How to recover hacked Roblox account without using email or phone number. So let's get started. In order to recover your hacked Roblox account, you must contact the Roblox Support Center. So for that, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search bar, search for Roblox Support. Then click on the first link on your interface. That's gonna take you to this page. So first of all, you might be asked to provide your date of birth. If it is asked, simply enter your date of birth according to your account. After that, you will get to this contact information piece where you will have this form which you have to fill up. So first of all, you have to use your username or type in your username, which will be provided here by default. And under that, it will ask for your first name, but it is optional, so you can skip this. And under that, you have to enter your email address associated with your account. And under that, again, confirm your email address. So this will be the important part. Now again, coming down, there is an issue details. So first of all, you have to select the device that you're having problem on. So you have to select from that drop down menu box. Under that, it says type of help category. Click on it, and from this drop down box, click on the first option as account hacked or can't log in. Under that, click on this drop down box and choose the first option, account hacked. And under that, there you get a text box to type in your description or issue. So you can simply type in my account has been hacked. After that, you have to provide your details about your account. You can provide your username, and once you have written your username, you can say them that you need help to recover your account as soon as possible. Once you type in your issue, then click on continue. After that, this request form will be submitted to customer support. Then customer support will get you back, or Roblox support will get you back and will ask you for more information about your account in order to verify that you are the owner of the Roblox account. So you have to provide all the information to verify or to prove that is your account. After that, the customer support or Roblox support will help you to recover your hacked account. So that's how you can recover hacked Roblox account without an email or phone number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.